Hello, welcome to my another YouTube video. You can contact me for different SAP installation services. I can do the installation on PC, cloud or even your network. Users can remotely connect your SAP server through SAP GUI and Fiori. You can see the SAP installation files are already uploaded on my Google Drive. You can just contact me and do the payment and I will do the installation on your computer, network or cloud. This is SAP IDS ECC6 ESP8 with Fiori with ABAP activated with lifetime validity on it. This is S/4HANA 1809 with lifetime validity with Fiori with ABAP activated. This is S/4HANA 1909, same lifetime validity ABAP activated with Fiori. This is S/4HANA 2021. Lifetime activated ABAP and with Fiori. This is S/4HANA 2022, same all the things are activated. S/4HANA 2023 with ABAP, lifetime activated with Fiori. This is just a SAP HANA database. If you just want the database I can provide you. You can connect the data with Eclipse and you can work on it. I can also provide these other things. This is S/4HANA 2023 with Service Pack 1 with EWM, with TM, with ADS, with Fiori and lifetime activated, with ABAP developer key. This is SAP Solution Manager with HANA database. And many other different SAP installations are available. You can contact me and I can do the setup. Thanks for watching the video.